from my bottom of my heart.
Okay.
This is my very best boss. For the first time I'm here, this is the one who helped me, who teach me every time. That's why I'm so glad when I met here. Then, thank you, Amri. Take care always.
Oh, thank you.
Happy New Year.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, halo, assalamualaikum. Ronyo lagi biasa hari Jumat. Nyo katrip karena belajar karena sibuk. Nyo pindah-pindah. Ronyo kebetulan dalam sapa mendung. Nyo kelas yang ke-11. Berarti Ronyo tadi ngerno tentang rasa. Lagi mame, masam, keun, tabu dan masin. Okay, so now I need to. Hello everyone. How about good? How are you guys? Good. Uronyo, uro spesial day. Uronyo, karena uronyo lah uro last belajar dalam tunyo, mungkin tunu ke akan menumpuk lom dan uronyo hadiah kan lebih baik bagi anu murid dah lagi. Ya, kalau nanti mau baca hadiah. Hadiah. Nyo ke Mr. Kameraman Ulu Ramadan. Mr. Asam Sunti. Okay, wait. This is a lot of the stuff. That. Okay, you guys have to be happy. So now, before kalau nak jual hadiah, kamar noleh lagi biasa. Okay, today we're gonna learn about the taste, like sweet, sour, bitter, spicy, bland, and salty. Right? Okay, now I'm gonna say. In English, I'm gonna say in English and then you guys say, let's say together for the first time, right? You know it. Mr. Samsunti, be serious, okay? No phone. Okay. Sweet. You can say this is, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Mame.
Okay, you say Ramadan? Mame. See? You want to check tulen. Sour.
Masam.
Ramadan. Masam. Bitter. Hey. Look. Kenapa amatir Samsunti je kerja. Sombong. Oh my God. Look at John, how serious. Mentang na ji kan pelajaran mandu mentang na di John. Look at Danny ke Philippines. Okay. Spicy. Keum. Bland. Kan tabe. Aceh tulen tabe. Tabu. Nyo ro kena Kanada umur tidon. Nyo karo kedua. Nyo umur tidon ro tu Kanada jamu. Ramadan. Okay. Salty. Masin, salty. Okay. So now I'm gonna read one more time. Okay, one more time. Sweet. Mame. Sour. Masam. Bitter. Beraya. Menyahan raya hadiah. Spicy. Bland. Tabu. Salty. Masin. Okay, now I'm gonna delete this. Okay? I'm gonna delete it. And then your guy has to say, okay? Okay, I don't have this thing. Right? Gambar hanay TV dan alom itu lagi nyo. I don't think you guys can see it, right? Okay, make sure you write it down. Write it down. Okay, write it down. Maybe this is gonna work. Oh, it's work. Okay. It's done. Cameraman? Saya fikir saya untuk anak dengan Papa Suleh ni. Alright.
Oh.
He won. He won.
Oh, look at better than the leader.
This is good, eh? Oh, this is good. Okay, this is good.
Chip is better than the
Commercial.
Komersial. Anak bagi iklan lah, anak nanti iklan. Anak bagi. Okay. Asam Sundi first. Look, Asam Sundi, you have to be good. A lot of gift here. Okay? Okay. Sweet.
Mame.
Mame. Sour.
Masum.
Masam.
Masam.
Bukan mesum. Mesum. Mesum tayo karena depu. Mesum is different word. Okay. Like you.
Turkish.
Masam. Oh, Turkish. Masam.
Yeah, Masam is Turkish singer.
Oh, Masam penyanyi Turki. Dari Mr. John. Wow. Bitter. Pay. Spicy. Bland.
Tabur.
Tabu bukan tabung. Tabu. Salty. Masen. Mr. John. Sweet. Mame, good. John. Good day, John. Sour. Turkish.
Masam.
Masam. Bitter. Pay. Spicy.
It's very hard to
Good.
say this.
Bland.
I forget. Tavu.
Tabu. Salty.
Masam.
Masen. Good. Dani. Sweet. Mame. Sour.
Masam.
Good. Bitter.
Pet.
Pay. Spicy.
Kyung.
Okay. Bland.
Tabu.
Tabu. Salty.
Masem.
Masin. Ramadan. Sweet. Mame. Good Ramadan. Sour.
Masam.
Masam. Bitter.
Pig.
Spicy.
Keung.
Okay. Bland.
Tabu.
Good. And salty.
Masam.
Masem.
Masen.
Masin. Oke, rekan-rekan. Oke, rekan-rekan. Jadi nyo kelas untuk nyo berarti kelas terakhir mungkin 2 minggu libur pre kerja. Jadi untuk uronyo anak murid tapi hadiah apa-apa. Dan ramai awaknya hebat dengan kerja karena nyo murid-murid aktif. Dan pi belajarnya tetap continue tahun ukia. Jadi yang kenyo hadiah Concord painting wall covering salah satu. Jadi guys, I want you guys to open it. What is inside? Okay. First, Mr. Asam Sunti. Can you open it, please?
Open it.
Open, please. And then Mr.
10,000.
Okay, this is Mr. John. Open, John. Open. Show it to the camera what is inside.
Show it to the earth.
Oh, and then Mr. Dani.
Yes, thank you.
Where is my favorite guy, Ramadan?
Woohoo!
Beautiful.
Beautiful. At last.
Okay, Ramadan, open it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
And I see. Terima kasih. Cukup jangan kamu. Tadi untuk kameraman lihat apa? Nyo Ulul dengan Mr. Ulul kameraman nacit hadiah. Karena cok ile Ulul. Mr. Kameraman tetap urusan dengan kamera.
Advance we should show your face too.
Okay. Oh, today is a special day. Let me show the cameraman. Okay, cameraman, grab. Can give it applause. Hey, give it applause for cameraman. Okay, cameraman. Okay, let's open it. Dani, let me see.
Oh my Thank you. Beautiful.
Oh, Concord,
Concord
painting.
painting.
Yeah.
Concord.
Concord
I want you to open the envelope. What is inside?
Oh my God.
Okay.
Big bonus.
Big
Yes.
bonus. Bonus for you. Asal sunti rumetan. Asal sunti. Smiling asal sunti. Wow.
Oh wow.
Wow. What is that?
Yes.
Wah, nyan kopi. Natin Horton, save on food untuk jual makanan. Karena
wow.
sistem
And this is the
sistem
most-
hana jok peng.
This is the most
Sistem.
important.
Nyan, paycheck, lot of money. Wow, everybody happy.
This is for the ticket for the Canucks.
Wow,
you
tiket
see?
dia nonton nonton bola.
For a new year game.
Nyon le lampayo, wak nyon tu pukul 12.30 giliran.
I'm happy.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, cameraman, are you happy? Okay. Let me talk.
Yes.
Okay. Now, so guys, thank you very much for hard working, right? And then for study my language.
Oh yes.
And see you guys special. You got this.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
boss. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
And berarti kaji menan, tak menumpak don ukur, belajar bahasa Aceh tetap berjalan. Nyo cuma pray karena 2 lega minggu, karena tahun baru. Jadi kaji lah menan, baik dua subscribe, like and share. Amri Fazil Official. Nyo mandu student, mandu everybody happy, mandu senang. Roland, you want to say something? No? You don't want to say something?
Me.
I'm just joking. No. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for keep us busy for a whole year. Thank you for teach us a lot of things. Really, when I wake up in the middle of the night, I know Sadu Alep Utlaman. I know, yeah. I know a lot of things. Yeah.
Okay, say thank you.
Magna Priya.
Mangan clear.
Yeah. Yeah. So thank you so much. Always you are the best one. Thank you so much. And then
Happy New Year.
yeah, happy holidays. Yeah.
Happy.
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy.
Yes. From my bottom of my heart,
Okay.
this is my very best boss. For the first time I'm here, this is the one who helped me, who teach me every time. That's why I'm so glad when I met him. Then, thank you, Amri. Take care always.
Oh, thank you.
Happy New Year.
Okay, thank you very much, Daddy. John.
Yes. Thank you for gift and thank you teach your language for us.
Yeah.
And thank you for everything in Concord. Company. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. Thank you. Ram, just say a few words. Maybe your last day. Nyo, Ramadan mungkin last day kerja Cid karena nak balik lomak sekolah di jurusan akuntan and tam laki bersuksesnya telah kedua anak Aceh. InsyaAllah. Want to say something?
Pagami, yeah, thank you for giving me this
Aceh.
opportunity to work.
Aceh.
Yeah, Mas Aceh Jijik, the big point. I want to say thank you for giving me this job.
Okay.
Every day I learn something new. And tapi bahasa Aceh runjit, baca-baca, pagami matang penolong baca-baca bahasa Aceh. So thank you.
Thank you Ramadan for coming to have us. Okay. Okay, Kajit